Today we'll show you how to create a new activity. From the Teacher Dashboard dropdown, select the Activities page. Then click New Activity. The first thing to choose is a type. Is it a discussion, a homework, a lab, or a quiz? And this is strictly for classification purposes. We're having a discussion today. We'll call it Relational Databases. The description is visible to students, and this will show up at the top of the collaboration page. It's something short. We're not really telling them what to do here. The private notes are only visible to you, and these are often helpful if you are sharing activities with other teachers. They'll be able to see these notes. Just go ahead and create our activity. This will take you to the activity overview page. You can see you can edit any of the information we just entered here. And what we want to do is we want to start adding prompts to this. So let's start and we'll do new prompt. From here, we're going to create instructions for what the students are supposed to do. So in this one, they're supposed to watch a video. The second option here is sort of answer visibility, and there's three options. Show all, which means students always see everything others post. After post, which means students first have to make a contribution before others' ideas become visible. And hide, so that they never see any of their peers' posts. So for this one, we're just going to say they can always see everything. We'll say watch the video on relational databases and post a question. And then we can embed a YouTube right here inside the prompt. If we go up here, we hover over this little YouTube link, we click YouTube, we paste the URL in, and it's that simple. Now for this one, we actually had instructions. We said if someone posted something you already had a question about, tag it me too. And so what we want to do is we want to make sure tagging is enabled. We'll select our default tags. So I'll say, all right, our tag here is me too. We hit add, and now when students go to select a tag, the me too will appear in the dropdown as a default tag. Go ahead and hit create. You can see we've returned to the activity overview page, and now we have a prompt, our video prompt. You can preview the text here by clicking this expand button. You can also preview the activity as it currently states with this preview button. It'll take you to the collaboration space. You can see here's our activity, relational databases. Here's our description, and then our first prompt, video. And this is what the students would see. Let's add another prompt to this activity. This one we'll call paper strengths. This one we're going to say read the attached paper, and we can upload the paper right to the Visual Classroom servers. You click on this little link right here, you hover over it's a little green link. Say browse server, this button, that'll take you to a place where you can upload a file. So we say upload, go to my desktop, I've got a PDF there. So we upload it, double click on the uploaded file, hit OK, and it's embedded right here inside your activity. And what we want to do is tell them sort of what to do. So after they read the paper, they should come in here and list 3 things that they think are strengths of relational databases. And for this one, we're actually going to change the answer visibility. We want the students to put an idea out there before they get to see what everyone else said. So we're going to change this drop down here to after post. And then we'll go ahead and create this new prompt. So we're going to add one more prompt to this activity. So we'll do a new prompt again. We'll call this a quick quiz. And basically we're going to use this built-in Sketchpad to see if students have a sense of how foreign keys work. So it says use the sketch background. And so what you do here under the sketch background, click upload. And it'll take you to the uploader. You can embed them either files or images. I click upload, find the image I want to do, double click on it. Again, simply double click and it gets embedded as the sketch background. We don't need tagging, we'll turn that off. And for this one, it's actually, since it's a quiz, we'll say hide all, so students won't see what each other posted. We hit create. Now if we preview our activity, we'll see we've got 3 prompts. For this one, it says, okay, posts are hidden until you contribute. For this one, it shows you that the posts are hidden, you can only see your own, and that we set a sketch background. So if we go in and we preview, what will students see? We hit new idea, we select our sketchpad, we can see that that image has been embedded within the sketchpad that students can now create and draw their foreign keys. The final step is assigning this activity to a group. So if we go up here to the top right here, we can click assign to group. It's got the groups you've created in this drop down. And it gives you an option. Students can either work as individuals, or we have the ability for them to work in small groups as well. Select your desired options, hit save, and that will create a brand new session. The new session gets listed right here so you can see all sessions that you have used this activity with.